Listen to this video completely. I promise that this is definitely going to change your thought pattern completely. Okay? And I want you to comment on this video, right? After you completely watch it. What is success? Many people have asked you, right? Even you yourself have asked, right? I want success. I want to do this. I want to do that. First question I'm asking you, do you know what is your definition of success or anybody's definition of success? Somebody got a big house, I want a big house. Somebody got a car, I want a car. No, that is not success, friends. I tell you, write this down. Please, please write this down. What is success? Experiencing what you want such that it does not harm you and it does not harm others is success. I repeat because this is very important. This is a lesson that I've learned the hard way. Experiencing what you want such that it does not harm you and it does not harm others is success. But the biggest challenge is, do you really know what is that you want? Surprisingly or fortunately, unfortunately, I don't know what word to use. 80 to 90% of the people don't know what they want. Yes, I want to travel to this place because that person went. I want this big car because that person has. It looks nice. It is so nice to have that internal staircase inside the house. Of course, inside the house only, right? Internal staircase. It feels nice. Yes, everything feels nice. But the question is, in the long run, does that make you happy? Experiencing what you want. I'll tell you, if something excites you, if something motivates you, all of a sudden, oh my god, I just want to do this because I'm really so happy if I do this. See, you're not concerned about the outcome. You don't have any goals. I want to do this. I want to accomplish this. Great. That should be there. I'm not saying no. But you're doing something because you're devoted to the process of achieving it. I really want to do this because this is something that really excites me. That is, I just enjoy it. I just want to do it. I'm not bothered about the outcome. And that is what you want to experience most of your life. And if you make such things as a profession, my God, can you think about something? Can you think about something where you enjoy what you do and you're paid for it? Wow. I sometimes look at those friends. I mean, look at those junior people, right? Like Sarigamapa, they'll sing. Kids will come and sing. Indian Idol. Of course, they're talented, they have skill, but they enjoy singing and they'll make it their profession and they're paid for it. Friends, I think that's the biggest gift that we can have in life. I mean, one of the biggest gift. You're getting paid for what you enjoy to do because most of us are dragged. See, I work in IT industry, okay, and I also coach a lot of people in how to become a goal finisher. Please look at the description for more details. Please don't forget to join the Telegram group, okay. See, I also coach a lot of people, and I also work in IT industry. So data science, data analytics, business analytics, and what is it? Artificial intelligence. All these things are the booming industries now. Okay, so that is where the money is in the next decade or so. So people will jump. Okay, if I do artificial intelligence, then I will get more money. If I learn data science, then I will get more money. Question is, friends, it does not matter whether something is having some demand and you learn that thing. But if you don't like it, let's say somehow 6 months you worked as a data science engineer, but you did not like it because the process of achieving the goals of data science is not coming from you within. No. You need to do it because you want money, because that is what you invested your time and money in getting that course or certificate or graduation, whatever. Now you are already in a position, you are put in a position. Now, in order for me to get that, I need to do this, whether I like it or not, does not matter because I want money, because that is where the money is. Now, if you fail also, you'll feel frustrated. If you succeed also, you'll feel frustrated because you don't like the process. That is a stupid way of living. When majority of us, including me, I am no exception. Even I was like that. Do you think I'm doing this video because I want you to tell a message? Of course, you know all these things. You know how much I enjoy making such videos? Nobody need not motivate me. Come on, Ramya, do this video. You'll get subscribers, you'll get views. If I get subscribers, I'll get subscribers. If I get views, I'll get views. That's all. But I enjoy doing this. I enjoy helping people. If this video can help at least 0.1% of the person people now, I'll be very happy. I think that makes my day. The messages that I get, Ramya, I saw this video, I took your coaching, I read your book. So Amazon have How to Become a Genius Level Goal Finishers. Please purchase that book. See, I hardly get any money out of it, but it's going to change your life, friends, if you take it seriously. Anything, there are so many books. Read any books. But the question is, are you experiencing what you want? Because one day you're going to die. No matter what kind of food you eat, whether you exercise or not, one day you're going to die. Are you sure? Are you going to argue with me telling that no, no, that you will never die? No, you will die. So when you already know the end result, the only question I'm asking you is, why can't you live your life the way you want? Why can't you live your life the way you want? Anyway, you're going to die. See, out of 24 hours, 7 hours you need to sleep, and 3 hours in breakfast, lunch, dinner, bathing, it will just go off. 2 hours, we don't know, right? Children, husband, wife, parents, friends, just goes off. So 12 hours gone. The remaining 12 hours or the remaining 10 hours is what you have to experience what you want. And that also is what we taken away one day. Inhalation, exhalation, and there will be no inhalation. That is also going to be taken away. You're going to pass away. The only question is then why can't you experience what you want? First question, do you know what you want? Do you have clarity? Do you know what you enjoy the most? The problem with most of them who have figured out what they want. See, there are so many people who don't know what they want. They have to figure out what they want, what they enjoy, what excites them, all those things. And the other set of people who have identified, okay, now I enjoy playing badminton. Let's say, how can I get money from playing badminton? I can't get money. I can't make it as a profession. True, true. Unless and until you become the state level or national level player, right? Or I enjoy reading books. Can I make money out of it? Of course, yes. Make videos as such, or help others. So first thing is you have to figure out what is that excites you. Second thing is how is that you can convert it to a profession so that it is paid, and it's not like a 1 month or 2 months thing. It can take years. It can take years. See YouTube. If we have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube will pay us. You know that. So this can be an alternate source of income. But am I doing it for that sake? To be very honest, yes, but maybe 10% for that sake, and the remaining 90% is because I enjoy what I do. Because I enjoy what I do it more. Because I do more, I go deep. Because I go deep, according to the YouTube algorithms, my videos get ranked higher. Because I get messages that it is helping people, I get more motivated to do such videos. Byproduct is getting money. Goal is not getting money. Goal is to enjoy what I do, to help people. You understanding, friends? People who go behind money get thousands or maybe some lakhs. People who go behind passion because they really want to do it, they really enjoy the process, will get so much amount of money that they wouldn't have even imagined in their dreams. Okay? So that is the message, friends. Please figure out what excites you and such that it should not harm you, it should not harm others. What do I mean by that? Let's say there is a person who says he enjoys or she enjoys drinking alcohol. No, but it's going to harm them in the long run. It's going to harm their loved ones in the long run. So when I say what excites you, it should not harm you or your loved ones or others in the long run. Figure it out. Figure it out. Convert it to a hobby. 10 minutes or 30 minutes, 1 hour. Some people love paintings, drawings. Do it, no? Some people love networking. Do it, no? First, convert it to a hobby. Become consistent for some months. And then think how can you convert it to a profession. Slowly start. And this is how we can untangle the things in life, right? You cannot say, okay, I have this problem, so I have to untangle like this. No, that problem became so huge over years. If you are overweight, it is over years, not in one day. So it will take months to reduce also, right? Whatever good or bad that you have accumulated over years, it will take years to go. Okay, so please make sure that figure out what excites you, friends. There's no point just living for money because driving Mercedes Benz or driving or being in a job CEO of a company, but they're still not happy, right? Because they're so hollow from within, because they're not enjoying the process, right? Money is really very important. I am not a fool to say money is not important. Very, very, very important, but not at the cost of doing something your entire life which does not excites you. That is where the mental stress is. And now health gets upset, you get stress, work stress, and that stress you're going to show it on your family, your relationships get stressed, and as a result, your health gets stressed. Now you go to doctors, now you spend money. First of all, there will be lack of money, and now you're going to create more lack. You have EMIs, now you'll be forced to pay the EMIs. Now you don't know what to do in life. You're in that vicious cycle like Abhimanyu had been in that vicious cycle in Mahabharata, right? Chakravyuha. You'll be like that. And your entire life, your dreams, your passions, your aspirations, your so many things that you had when you were in college is going to rest in peace along with you in graveyard. And now you tell it to your children, at least I did so many things. At least you don't do this. So the starting point is just because data science is more, see, I'm relating it to IT because I'm from IT, related to your own industry. Something is in demand does not mean that you have to study it. It's not about money, it's about your interest. Of course, it's also about money. Interest plus skills plus demand. If you can uh, what do you say, intersect all these things, that is what your profession is. You understand? Then you're going to make it very big for sure. Okay? So this is for the message. Please share this message. Please, please subscribe to my channel. This motivates me. Please share this video with your friends and family, at least for 3 people whom you think this video will become helpful, which will give them an awareness to get more clarity, and who's already half the way now to think how to convert it as a profession and all those things. And also, please purchase my book in Amazon. You can finish it in less than a week, and that is how I've designed. And please don't forget to join the Telegram group. That description, I mean, that link is also in the description, because this world is full of distractions. So making sure that we are with right and like-minded people will make sure that we accelerate towards what we want faster, right? See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.